Hey guys, and welcome back to the Easy Cooking Club, where we make delicious meals the easy way. Valentine's Day is upon us, and what better way to impress that special someone than with a restaurant quality meal you make right at home. Today we are making chicken saltimbocca. It's a classic Italian dish that's elegant, delicious, and surprisingly easy to make. It's juicy chicken wrapped in prosciutto, infused with sage, and finished with a rich buttery sauce. It's the perfect way to say I love you through food. So let's get cooking and make this Valentine's Day extra special. Okay guys, we're back. We've got our chicken here, our prosciutto, our sage, our salt and pepper, and our olive oil. We're heating I'm using a cast iron skillet. You don't have to, but we're heating up a cast iron skillet. Get it nice and hot. Behind me, I've got some water going for the angel hair pasta and some marinara sauce going. I went ahead and I just got the thin sliced chicken breast already, so I didn't have to cut it down. And you can get it for about $5. It's not that expensive. And it's nice that they already do that for you. So first thing we're going to do is, now that our chicken is trimmed, we're going to go ahead and salt it on both sides. Hit it with some pepper. We are going to take some sage leaves. And then we are going to take some of our prosciutto and we are going to wrap this chicken with the prosciutto. It helps if you're more coordinated than I am. We'll get a little olive oil in the pan. Just like a tablespoon or two. Get this chicken in. Start it cooking. We can fit one more in that pan, so we will. And if anybody's wondering about cross-contamination with the chicken and the salt, don't worry about it. I am actually going to be washing this out after anyway, because I'm at that time of my cycle for washing out my salt cellar. I try to do it once a month. Just because some salts that you can get, they end up a little powdery, and I don't like that in the bottom. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna cook these on both sides. We just want the chicken to be done in the middle, not pink, registering at about 160 degrees, and then taking it off and putting it on a platter, and then we're just gonna let it rest. And we'll see you back here in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna get these other ones all set up and cooked. Okay guys, we've got all of our chicken here completed. Next thing we need to do is make the sauce that goes on top of this. So we're gonna start with a little dry white wine. You want about a cup. It's okay if you estimate. And you're gonna scrape up all these brown bits on the bottom, because these are going to be all of the flavor for this sauce. Now that we've got all the brown bits cleaned up and everything, we're going to take some chicken broth. Also, about a cup. You don't have to be exact here. If you have a little extra, it's only going to be better. We're going to let this reduce down anyway to about 2/3 of a cup. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Okay, guys, now that our liquid has reduced to about 2/3 of a cup, we don't have to be exact. We're going to turn off the heat, and we're going to take our butter. We have half stick of butter here, and we're just going to add it in and let it start melting. And we're just going to occasionally stir it to let it get all melted. While that's going on, this is what we want our finished product to look like, minus the sauce that we're going to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All we're going to do is we're going to take a spoon and a fork. We're just going to get some pasta on the spoon and fork, and we're just going to twirl it. And we just do that. Then we're going to grab our marinara sauce here. Just going to put a little marinara sauce over it. I'm going to put our basil leaf here. Cut up our chicken breast. That has now been rested and fully cooked. We're just going to place it on. Then I have some Asiago cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it with some Asiago. And then once our sauce gets done here, we're just going to put a couple of spoonfuls of sauce onto our chicken and drizzle a little bit on the plate. Just keep stirring until all of the butter gets melted. Now I'm using a European butter like Kerrygold because it has a higher fat content and less water content. So you actually get more flavor in a half a stick of that versus a half a stick of American butter. So now our sauce is done. So we're going to just pour some over the chicken. Put some on the plate, a little more on the chicken, and that's it. That's all there is to this. And there you have it. Delicious, elegant chicken saltimbocca. Perfect meal for a romantic Valentine's Day dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try and impress your special someone with a meal made from the heart. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Leave me a message in the comments to let me know how your meal came out and what other dishes you would like to see next. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking and happy Valentine's Day.